Oh, hello everybody. Hey, you've caught me hard at work. We don't make these work in progress films very often, but when we do, they're really popular. So I thought this was a good example. You probably remember this from before. I think this is the 5th time I've made this octopus, and I'm unashamed about remakes. In fact, the commissions tend to be designs that people have seen that have now gone, as in this case. But what's really nice about this one is it's twice the area of the previous ones. So that's given me the opportunity to explore my fantasy underwater flora that you can see here. I've also been able to add some triggerfish. Triggerfish can be really pretty and lots of colours, but I've made these ochres to blend in and push back, because it's not about them, it's about the octopus. And then I also made some cornet fish, which we've got here, but we decided that the horizontality of the cornet fish broke up the flow, so they also bit the dust. And we've got this beautiful S-shaped diagonal going through, which we didn't want to spoil that, so that's why they went. We were also going to put in some treasure, Octopus's garden idea. That went because we thought it was overcomplicating it. It looks really good the way it is. But I did write a verse about the octopus's treasure, which I was really pleased with. So I'm going to recite it now, otherwise you'll never hear it. And it goes like this. Octopus's treasure. I think I know that you're wondering whether you can get your hands upon my treasure. My best advice is to leave it alone, because my booty is my known.